She's struggling today. Oh my god. Nothing's working. None of my overlays are working. Oh, we're struggling today. Maybe I'll just turn that off. Maybe we'll just turn that off for today. We won't have chat on screen today. It's my time to shine. Fuck you guys, you know? Oh my god. I thought that wasn't working either. Oh my god. I'm struggling. I'm struggling so hard. I spent the last like three-ish hours debating if I even wanted to stream tonight. Wait, what did he say? Oops. How am I supposed to see what I just typed if it's not on screen? What the fuck? Just remember. Just think. It's not that hard. If you remember your promise to nominate, then you must still have your important memories. I have completely forgotten what we're doing. I know the next world is Hollow Bastion. Or it should be. Because I made the thumbnail a while ago. Let's go, we love not remembering things. Hollow Live. Oh my god, it's me. I'm Hollow Live. I'm live at Hollow Bastion. Just ignore the Bastion part. I'm hearing voices. I wonder who it is. It's your inner demons, Goofy. Shh, I think something's wrong. Hi, Bree. I hope you guys are all doing well today. But Belle, I don't understand. I came here to rescue you. Beast, I did not ask you to come. And it doesn't matter anyway. I'm not going back with you, so you're wasting your time. Belle, do you know what you're saying? How can you stay here with that witch? Hi, Storm. I have nothing more to say. Now leave before she finds you. Yeah, fuck Beast. Belle, why? You know, lore-wise, it makes no sense for him to be Beast. He should be, what's his name? Prince Adam? I think that's his name. He should be the prince, right? Like, he should be a human. Because this is like post them getting together. This is like after the first... I don't know if they had more movies. This is like after the movie. Shouldn't he be a human? Hi, Yulie. I've been in and out of sleep for like days. I'm tired, but I don't know why. You know, I feel you. I've been randomly tired too. We're on the same wavelength here. That's why I spent the last 3 hours debating if I wanted to stream. This is post Belle coming to the castle, but not post movie. Wait, really? Like, actually? Like, it's canon? I thought this was after their movie because, like, you know, they love each other, whatever. I'm not sure what's going on, but is everything okay? Don't feel bad. There must be a reason she said those things. Yeah, she fell out of love. Keep your sympathy. No one could ever care for a beast like me. Oh, I see. Okay. So not post-movie. We got it. I just had to press A a couple more times. Poor guy. Sure wish there was something we could do for him. Your Honor, my client literally went beast mode. You visit Bee's castle in Kiermites 2 where the romancy stuff happens? Oh! Interesting, interesting. My client is innocent? Okay. Oh, more cutscenes. Oh, no, it's just a beginning thing. Okay, I will not know how to get around. Oh, I know. This one's easier, right? Because it's just, it's the rooms. It's different. What did that do? What did I just do? I'm so confused. Yeah, fuck this guy. Oh my god, you can actually see the health bars now, because I got rid of the thing. I don't know if alerts will be working, because nothing else was working. Oh shit, I was not paying attention. Oh, you're good now. Oh, you're not good now. Yeah, fuck you. You know what?
Thunder.
I'm tired of this.
Fire. Fire.
Oh!
Freeze.
Oh, I think that was... Yep, that was way too low.
Freeze.
Oh, why would you do that to me?
There.
I don't remember how to play this game. You think I remember how to play this game? Can you guys come down? It's not fair. I'm short. Just kidding. I got mad hops. What did that... Where are we going? Oh! Hello? That was so rude. Oh! The confusion carries over. I hate this. I hate this. Oh, we're good now. Dumb bitch. There we go. Oh! Oh, I did that on the wrong guy. Oh, it worked out. No, it's okay. It's okay. Oops. Oh my god. I can't fucking see. Oh. Oops. I didn't jump. If this doesn't work, we can always go back to that high school game. Did you like it? I did. I loved it. I'm gonna go back to it. I just wanted to play Kingdom Hearts because it's been a while. Oh, fuck off! Is this the popular high school drink on Google Fart for Yulie? That's such a long title. No, I didn't make it to top bitch yet. We didn't finish. I was wondering where the plotline for the rich kid was going. Honestly, I feel like it's gonna be like... He's not as shallow as he seems. Like, that's just his outer shell. You know, that kind of cliche? Go, Gophers! You make it there with that mom and laundry money. Honestly, I got so rich doing... Oh shit, working at a fucking laundromat. Oh, fuck off, fuck off. Why do you have so much? Why? Huh?
Heal. Heal.
Okay.
Fire.
Oh, does it? Oh. Where? What did he leave on the... You mean the notebook, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to stop? Do you want to... Do you want to swap to High School Dreams? Are you okay? What does this map look like? Oh, this is... Oh, does this lead over there? Only one or higher. I wouldn't mind if you switched. How many Moogle points do I have? So many. Let's go here. Steve, it's not just a game, it's high school. Do you know how important high school is? What else can I hit here? You.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
More Bungle points. Gimme. Divine Rose. Interesting.
Yeah.
Do you not give me anything? Really? I find myself getting into the plot of even the dumbest games. Honestly, me too. Oh. Okay. What card should we get today? I don't want these. I don't even use these. I don't even use these. What cards should we get today? Kingdom Hearts plot? No thanks. High School Dreams plot? Oh yeah! What was it? No. Oh yeah was the other one. I don't know what game it was, but the laundry guys is the yeah! Oh yeah, it's something else. I don't know what. I'm gonna get a mix pack. I want to know what's in here. 5, 8, 6, 8. What is that? Mega Ether quickly reloads all magic cards and resets the reload counter. Oh, wait, that's kind of nice. And it's an 8. I think I confused it for Kool-Aid Man. No, I think that was another game that said, oh yeah. I just don't remember what it was. Okay. I don't know if I need that many. Interesting. Oh, Bambi drops HP orbs. I should probably read those. We'll do High School Dreams next time. Actually, I want to sell the 1, 2, 3s. I don't know how many we got. I don't think we got that many because I got the expensive ones. Review decks. Oh, we got some space. Hmm. Oh! That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Oh, does organize bring them all back up? I don't know how this works still. I need to get my shit together. Ooh, another 9. We love 9s. What do these guys do? I never looked into them. Deals damage to enemies in front of him. Magic. HP. Douses enemies with water. I don't understand. Healer. Okay. This is interesting. I don't really... I like the resets the reload counter, but like, I don't really use that much magic, to be honest. 56 for the 8. Oh, that's so much. How many do I have? Like 40 something? 30... 38? I don't know how to do math. Did I get that right? 3 goes to 40, 75 is 35. I think that's 38. I'll figure it out later. This is good enough. It's going okay so far. This is too much thinking. I'd rather go back to high school. Where no thinking is involved ever. Oh, fuck off. Wait, what did that do? Oh, I don't think I hit it. The thing that I hit earlier, what did that do? What the fuck? I should have locked on before. Oh. That was so rude. Oh, that is so rude. That is so rude. Can you fuck off? Kindly.
Heal. Heal. Yeah.
Hey, that's not fair. You can't put your back against the wall like that. Imagine if you could replace the hit sound effect with the yeah from High School Dreams. What did this do? What does that change? Does that thing stop moving? Oh, maybe that is it. Okay, we can go. We can play High School Dreams next time. Let's do weaker cards.
Yeah.
I see you! Fuck you. See you next stream then. I'm gonna be a strictly High School Dreams streamer now. Oh! I didn't even mean to do that. Hey, can you not do that? Hey, can you not do that? Right, you can come over here now. Yeah. Yeah, fuck you. Hate anything that flies. I hate anything I can't reach. Oh, I have to heal. Heal. Why is there so many of you? Oh my god. Where are we going today? I think we'll go down. I think that's this one. Oh my god! Yeah, fuck this big guy.
Thunder.
Does that? Yeah, it does. Okay. What doesn't? Is it only? Fuck you. Fuck. Oh. We made it to 900. Hey, do you guys want to get high? Can I breathe this shit in? No thanks. Power of friendship. I love the power of friendship. Huh? Did I miss my friend? Oh no, I got Donald.
Donald.
Power of friendship.
Donald.
Oh, thank you. Oh god, oh god. Didn't have to do all that, but I did it anyway. Looming darkness. Oi. Donald healing? Yeah, once in a blue moon, apparently.
Yeah. Donald.
What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Wow, another heal! Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Goofy.
What?
Force.
Did I miss my... Did I miss my cue? What happened?
Yeah. Donald.
Hit him for me, Donald.
Fire.
That was so much easier. Oh my god, I thought the fight hadn't ended. I got confused. Where here? Fuck off. They're so speedy fast. Little fucking like cockroaches.
Yeah. Goofy. Yes.
Nice. Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh fuck off.
Yeah. Force.
Oops. I didn't mean to do that.
Thunder.
I don't pay attention to my own cards. Eee.
Yeah.
Got him.
Yeah.
Oh. Hee. Wow, look at him. He looks clueless.
Yeah.
Oh no 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 no. Okay. Oh. Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I didn't know you were still alive. Don't get high, kids. It'll hurt you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Hey! No! I should have locked on first!
Donald.
Donald, what the fuck was that?
Goofy.
There we go. That's what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah. Force.
Stop at me.
Thunder.
I don't want your little chomp chomps. Did I miss anything in there? What's in that corner? Why is there a little corner over there? Is there a reason for that? I'm just gonna go. Oh, no, 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 no. Whee! Gross, fleshy step sounds. I think it's the thing, like, chomping at me. Oh, we haven't done this yet.
Yeah.
That was from outside my window. Huh? The fuck is happening outside your window? Gimme. Nothing? Fuck you. Reflect raid. Cloud attack. Roll a keyblade and make it ricochet around to strike many enemies. Well, that one sounds nice.
Yeah.
Beep. I have to go to the key? Oh wait, which one is it? Is it one of these? Is it telling me it's one of these that I have to go to? If so, I'm gonna go this way. So that I don't have to backtrack so much. White is... Okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna go up so that I can do these rooms and then I won't have to backtrack as much. Because I want to finish, like, exploring the rooms first, as I've been doing. And then, like, to do all of the story in a row. I said I would eat dinner before I started streaming, and then I forgot to because I started streaming on a whim.
Yeah.
I didn't say it out loud, but I told myself I would eat dinner before I started streaming. That didn't happen. What the fuck are these guys?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
I guess we'll never find out.
Goofy.
Whoa!
Slam dunk. Oh my god, fuck off.
Yeah. Force.
Oops.
Goofy.
I think Goofy's too short for the... Goofy can't hit anything. Oh my god.
Thunder. Fire.
It's okay, I can hit him. Maybe I can't hit him. Oh, it's a new Heartless.
Yeah.
Do they spin around like the Tasmanian Devil?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll keep him alive to see what happens.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you guys do? Hey, what do you guys do? Oh, they do! Oh my god!
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh? What the fuck?
Yeah. 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 Ha. Rah. Goofy. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Force.
Oh,
Thunder.
did not real. I never realized that I'm out of attack cards. We made it to... What is this one? Top right? I think... Oh my god, oh my god. I don't think I hit it. I didn't. Yeah, fuck this shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Heal. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Yeah. Rah. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Ha.
Oh. Eighth. It's disgusting. Don't ever do that again.
Yeah.
Ew. Why'd you do that? That's disgusting. Oh, I got nothing.
Thunder. Fire. Fire.
Go! Little fireball, go!
Freeze. Freeze. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Ha.
You guys are weak.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ha.
I may be dumb, but you're weak.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ha. Yeah.
uh. This is so embarrassing. Every time I swing, they go down. This is so embarrassing. Did I hit this?
Yeah. Ha.
Do you give me anything?
Yeah. Rah.
No? Why are you here then?
Ha. Yeah.
Pum 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 pum.
Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Ha. Ha.
When he's a 9, but he's a little goofy,
Goofy.
I believe in you. Goofy never lets me down. See? Goofy never lets me down.
Yeah.
Huh?
Ha.
We're good, we're good.
Yeah. Rah. Ha. 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 Yeah. Rah. Ha. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Rah. Ha. Ha. Ha.
Never chomp at me ever again.
Thunder. Fire. Fire.
Hard in darkness time already? What do you mean already? I'm late. Not that I have a schedule, but this is later than usual. Oh, fuck off. Did I hit that? Eee!
Ha. Yeah. Rah. Ha. Ha. Yeah.
Oh, level up! Yeah! 4? I just used that one. I don't want to use the same one again. Oh. I don't have much confidence in myself to hit them first, but I don't want to use the same cards over and over again. You gotta shake things up sometimes, you know? Just like the hit TV show, shake it up. Oh my god. Hi, Asefia! I'm sorry, none of my alerts are working today. Thank you for the raid. Oh my god. Thank you for the raid. I'm struggling. Today's a bit of a scuff stream. Just like exactly like that. Exactly like that. Hello.
Thunder.
Oh my god, I continue to struggle.
Fire.
You can do that. Okay. I continue to struggle. I continue to struggle. How dare you wake up so fast?
Goofy.
Goofy, you never let me down. I don't know if this will work. Let's see. Let's find out.
Yeah, please subscribe, guys.
Yeah, subscribe to us, Effie. Is that the whole clip? Please. Pretty please. Not to me, I don't have a subscribe. I hope your stream went well. Oh my god. Ay! Fuck! Very emotional ending? Wait, what happened? I don't know that game at all. Ay! How dare you!
Goofy.
Hehehe. Why does that last 20 years?
Donald.
Can you heal me? Thank you! Oh my god! He did it. I can't believe it. Killing Dad and then saving him? Is that the usual? Is that what happens in games? I don't even have a dad in this game. Another enemy card? Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Oh, that was... Okay. That one was on me. Fuck off! When do protagonists have dads anymore? Yeah, exactly. I've never had a dad in my life. I only played 2 games. And I don't have a dad in either. Oh, actually, I played 3 games. The most recent one was High School Dreams. I only have a mom in that one. My dad has never showed up. Or texted me or anything. My mom sends me money sometimes in that game. Dad, no presents.
Donald.
Oh, Donald. Oh, wow, thank you. Wow.
Thunder. Fire.
Oh, that's... okay. Do I have... oh, yeah, I do. Oh, okay. I'm a pro at dodging. Oh, never mind. Hey, can you... stop facing me!
Yeah.
Thank you. Sora's dad is referenced a grand total of once in the series. He has a dad? Sora has a dad? Do you ever see his mom has a single line of dialogue? Wait, we see Sora's mom? When did we see Sora's mom? Did I see Sora's mom? Or was that like an optional thing that I missed? I don't remember Sora's mom. We hear Sora's mom, that's it? Sora's dad went to buy milk. Hey, just like me. Not my dad, but me. Specifically, just me. We were talking about it yesterday. Actually, it was kind of today because it was after midnight. But last night, I have been proclaimed world's worst dad.
Yeah.
When darkness starts taking over the island, she calls him for dinner, but he snuck out to go play island. Wait, like in the beginning of the game? Or is it like in a flashback? I don't have any memory of this. In the beginning, oh. In the beginning. Oh god, I feel like I should remember that, but I don't. Oh. I don't like you. You can die. He gets worried about the raft and sneaks out of his room. Oh my. I'm not very attentive. I don't know what the fuck happens in a game. Have I hit everything in here? Ooh, god. I hate when they spawn right under me. Huh! Who's gonna play a card? Who's gonna play a card? Who's gonna play the next card? Who's gonna play the next card? Is it gonna be under 6? Thank you.
Thunder. Fire. Fire. Freeze. Force.
I lost my attack cards. Okay. In another game, when Sora and Riku are still kids... Oh god. Oh, I'm out of cards. Riku says Sora's dad brought them to the smaller island to play, but he's never seen. Can stop flying around! You guys are so annoying.
Fire.
I have to go to sleep. Bye bye. Thanks for the stream. Good luck with the game. Thank you. Have a good night. Have a good sleep. I hope you rest well. Have I been here? What the fuck? What? Hello? Huh?
Yeah. 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 Donald.
Donald, that was kind of useless of you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Thunder. Fire. Fire. Freeze. Freeze. Heal.
Oops.
Force.
Where's the last guy? Nice. Where are we going now? 3 more rooms. Wait, how do we get in there? Sora has parents, and he and Riku never came home after Kingdom Hearts 1 like Kairi did. And they have no idea what happened to him. Kairi went home? Destiny Island still exists? I don't know the lore. I don't like that one that much. Maybe that's the best one. I don't know. Maybe Kairi gave their parents an update. And that's why they're okay with it. I don't know. Oh god.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Oh god, oh no! Listen, fuck off!
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, actually, I don't want to do that.
Goofy.
Have you ever seen the cover to a PS2 game called The Bouncer? No, I've also never heard of that game. Please tell me this isn't a These Nuts joke.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah.
Ay! What the fuck was that? Hello?
Thunder. Fire.
The Protosaur? Huh?
Freeze. Heal. Heal. Freeze.
Oh my god! You are annoying.
Ha, yeah.
I hate these guys.
Yeah.
Stop!
Yeah.
I'm gonna look it up. I'm tapped out right now. I'm gonna look it up. The Bouncer video game. Huh? Is this like actually Protosaur, or does he, or like, did they just make Sora look like him? What is like? Is this real? Like, not is the game real, but like. Is it actually Protosaur? Did they base Sora off of the Bouncer? This character? Or, like, was this character based on Sora? Are they related besides Square? Sora's concept art? That was Sora. That was actual Protosora? Why does the Bouncer guy look more like Sora than Protosora? Also, yes, I do need the statue. You guys want to see the Kiryu statue? I haven't streamed Yakuza in so long, I feel like. Where is it? This might take up the whole screen. I don't know how big the actual image is. Oh no, it's not that big. 10.5-inch statue of Kiryu holding a, like, swinging a bike. I want it. And also Tian said, what did he say? He said this could be you. Imagine if I have a statue of me swinging a bike. I want it. I want it for me. I still watch the clip of that one-step story with the fast-walking lady. I know exactly who you're talking about. And I still have no idea why she runs like that.
Yeah.
Are you gonna ignore me? Can I just run past you?
Yeah.
Amazing. Oh no!
Yes.
Nice. Oh, I'm still confused.
Yeah.
Where's the other one? Oh my god. Stop turning around! Oops.
Goofy. Whoa. Yeah.
Haha. Whoa, why are you so high? That should not be allowed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Done. Oh, I'm going the wrong way.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
Goofy.
Oh my god, really? Oh god, oh god. I gotta stop mashing.
Thunder. Fire. Fire.
Oh. Oh. I didn't realize that was a 6.
Heal. Yeah.
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 Goofy!
Goofy.
Oh! I didn't know that's what happens if Goofy... If Goofy? If Goofy can't reach. Now I know. Get down here! Okay. Did I step on this already? Yes. Goofy? I don't know how to talk. You think I know how to pronounce words? I don't. How do I get up? I found it. Is the door up here? Yes. 5. You mispronounce them cutely, so I'll just forget it. I do everything cutely. There we go. I've already forgotten what card I used. Man, fuck these guys!
Donald.
Oh, so many Donalds!
Donald.
I'll just keep using them. Oh. He's a little useless.
Donald.
Donald, what the fuck was that?
Thunder. Fire.
Get him! Get him!
Freeze. Freeze. Fire. Force.
I don't have anything. I'll have to make sure to not delete that clip. Can you... There we go. When I go back to delete old clips, I'll have to make sure to not delete that one. Oh, there you are. I don't know when I'll delete clips again. Just every once in a while I have to, so that when whenever people shout me out on their channels, whenever they're streaming, I don't get old clips. I don't want to see me from last year. I never want to experience that ever again. That's so embarrassing. Did you die? No. Oh my god, it's a 6! Oh wait, that's not gonna work. I'm stupid. Hello?
Yeah. Heal. Heal. Yeah. Yeah.
You should probably delete the one with the... Oh, I think I did delete those just because I didn't want to get like... I didn't want to risk getting reported or some staff seeing it. Now that they said no more of that, I think I did delete it, if I remember correctly. I should go check, just in case.
Goofy. Whoa. Yeah.
Imagine if Twitch staff saw that and gave you partner. This girl can make us money.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what they really care about, right?
Yeah. Force.
Couldn't be so flat.
Thunder.
Oh,
Fire.
okay. That's cool.
Fire.
Get him!
Freeze. Freeze. Donald.
Oh, I'm so proud of you, Donald. Did that do anything? No? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what that little space... Oh! Oh, okay. That's embarrassing.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's what that little corner was for earlier. There was nothing there because there was no room over there, but now that there is a room over there, you know, it makes a little more sense. Goofy!
Goofy.
Get him!
Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Force.
Oh. Running out of cards. We love it.
Thunder. Fire.
Oh.
Fire. Freeze.
Yay. What did this do? Oh, over here. Where even am I? Oh. I think I have the key one, right? I'm supposed to be over here. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Ha. Yeah. Ha. Ha.
Oh, you don't put the...
Yeah. Ha. Force.
Go ahead, have a good rest of your stream. Thank you.
Thunder. Fire.
Have a good time with whatever you have to go do. Even if it's doing nothing. If you have to go sleep, have a good night, have a good sleep. If you're gonna do nothing,
Freeze.
you know, have a good time. I love doing nothing.
Freeze. Heal.
Hi, New. I'm Dad.
There. Ha. Ha.
Oi.
Yeah. Ha.
Whoa, Dad. Yeah, I know. It's been a while, huh? Sorry I left to go get the milk and never came back. I will do it again. That was not a one-time thing.
Yeah.
Oi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sounds fair. Yeah, it's something I should work on in therapy, but I just refuse to, you know, because I just don't wanna.
Yeah. Force.
Little ants. Donald. Oh, thank you. You can do better than that.
Thunder. Fire. Fire. Freeze.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Where am I? Are we going back now? I think we're going back now. How back are we going? I'm already lost. Bottom left, top left. Bottom left is this way. Bro, I forgot I had glide. I didn't even know. Bottom left again. And then top left. Yes. That door. I know where I'm going. I am amazing with directions. I'm kind of running out of these cards, huh? Actually... Oh, not world cards. Map cards, right? Yeah. How do I get rid of these? Oh. Do I have to do one at a time? Oh. I'll keep one of those. I have like just a bunch of cards that I... Oh, I can get rid of these. I never use these. Oops. That's so disgusting. I can't believe you would wank right here in front of everyone. I have 6 Joker cards? Remember what Bree said about beginner's luck? Yeah, apparently I got a lot of that. I don't know, 6... Like, I feel like 6 is kind of a lot. I haven't used any. I think 80 is okay. Oh! I see. It works like that. I hate you guys! You will most likely use them on the next few floors? Oh, okay. I mean, I've been saving them. I just got rid of all of these. Fuck you. I wouldn't have even been surprised if I stunned it and then it's still like... And I still missed and just ran into it. Level up!
Force! Thunder! Fire! Fire!
What? Hey!
Freeze!
What the fuck?
Freeze!
What? That is so rude.
Donald!
When did I get all of these? Oh, wow. Look at that. Donald, you did something. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, fuck off. I have so many friends! Oh, okay. Oh no. That's all? Why do I keep getting these? I want fun ones. No! That was so rude.
Thunder. Freeze. Freeze.
Ah. Oops.
Fire.
Wrong. Fuck off. You too. Thank you. What else can I hit? Huh? Fuck. This is so embarrassing. I know it sounds like I'm trying to save my ass, but like, I genuinely wasn't looking at my screen, and I can't tell you what I was even looking at. I cannot tell you where my attention was. I don't even know. Sometimes I have these moments where I just... It's not even like zoning out, where it's like... You know when you zone out and you like accidentally start staring at someone? Like accidentally make eye contact while you're zoning out, you're not even paying attention? It's not even like that. My brain just turns off sometimes for a few seconds. And I don't know what happens. Hey. Cannot tell you what happens during that time. It's truly just a mystery. It'll always just be a mystery. Oh, okay. That's cool.
Freeze. Freeze. Heal.
Ah! Oh, Donald. I believe in you, Donald. Okay. Donald, what the fuck was that?
Donald.
Redemption arc? Oh. What the fuck was that? I was near full health and he healed me twice. Only heals when I don't need it. He's a dumb bitch just like me. Oh my god. What? Oh my god, oh my god. Another one. Another one. What do you do? What was that? Give me. Thunder. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god! You know, I've been playing so much Tower Fantasy, I was about to, I was about to try to climb by, like, letting go and then double jumping. I don't even know how the controls would carry over, because I play Tower Fantasy on keyboard and Kingdom Hearts on controller. I don't even know what I was about to do, but that's where my brain went. She's a little confused today. First, my stream was fucky-wacky, my alerts and everything, like the chat box thing, everything, nothing is working. My brain's not working. We're a little fucky-wacky today. It be like that sometimes. The way these Heartless run is how I feel right now. I don't really know what that means, but that's how I feel.
Fire! Freeze! Freeze!
Okay, nice.
Fire!
Get him! Get him!
Donald!
Oh, wow. I'm so proud of you. Don't think that means anything, but still. Thank you for being here. Thunder. I get so scared every time something spawns. Oops. Where? What?
Thunder! Fire!
Oh, there you are. I know you only get cards I don't use. This is so not fair. What? Okay. Oops. Ah! Oh, I should have. Yeah. Is that Goofy? Is that Goofy? Oh, it's Donald. Yeah, sure. Okay. The fuck was that?
Fire! Fire! Freeze!
Another black room! Is this where we're supposed to go? No. I don't think so. What is this? What is this? Oh! Okay, so yeah, blue is the rewards. Oh, local points. Love me some of those. Where am I going? Back down. This way. That one. Why do my eyelids gotta feel heavy when I'm trying to watch stream? Just go to sleep! That's okay. Yeah, go to sleep. You're probably sleep deprived. I don't think I know anyone on a healthy sleeping schedule. Hello? He's gonna miss. Oh. That was the worst. You funny moments compilation 4.
Thunder.
It'll be on YouTube and what? It'll be on Twitch for however long Twitch keeps spots. I don't know.
Freeze.
Oi. Can you not do that? I don't think I can reach you like that. That's not fair. Good night. Have a good sleep. There we go. Feeble darkness, I can get with that. Oh. Hey, hey! Fuck you. Nuh-uh. Oh, no, no, no. I think I heard this thingy spinning. Oh my god. I think I heard it spinning. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm fucky wucky.
Fire. Freeze.
I am so fucky wucky today. Anyway, I heard the thing spinning and it took me back to the fucking what are the barrel spiders? It sounded like them right before they explode. Hey, can you stop? Oh, magic level 2? What's that? Oh, it's just okay. Yeah, I understand. Oh, I didn't reach. Magic level 2 makes total sense. I was just being a little stupid. It happens. Can I hit this guy? Like... Oh. What the fuck? That was so fucking rude.
Ha! Ha!
Nice. Love this for me. What treasure were they hiding? Where do I get the treasure? Hello? Okay. That was kind of rude. Thank you. I thought those were the guys guarding the treasure. What the fuck are you? Little baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Ha! Yeah. Goofy. Oh. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Ha! Force. Thunder.
Oops.
Fire. Fire.
Yeah. I saw the little heartless. What? And I ran into him. I'm stupid.
Ha! Yeah. Ha! 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 Yeah. Yeah. Rah! Ha! 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 Yeah. Ha!
Die. Yeah. Oh. Another one. Nothing else? Nothing else? Blue! And one lower than 3. And 3 or lower. And I'm gonna before we start the story, I'm gonna take a bathroom break. IPRB. Oh my god. Yeah. And now we start now we figure out what the fuck is going on here. I'm gonna have a fortune cookie. Oh, I have... Oh. Who are you? Were you kidnapped too? Fortune cookie wrapper ASMR. Not exactly. It's a long story. Wait! So you've been kidnapped? You don't want to be here? Yes. No, I don't really want to be here. That witch forced me to come here. I have no one to talk to. Books are all I have to ease my loneliness. Okay, but that's how you were before anyway. So... And then there's him. Oh, I've missed him so much. You mean the beast? Then why were you so mean to him before? Yeah, you really hurt his feelings. You don't understand. I can't let him see how I really feel. Why not? It's just that... I forgot the sound. The exclamation that I said. Oh no, she's coming! Hide, quickly! Huh? There's no time to explain. Quick, hide! Okay. Damn, this mic picks up everything, huh? Oh, hello. To what do I owe this visit? He was here, yes? He risked his life to come and save you. Why do you reject him? I won't ask for his help. Oh, and why is that? You know very well why. I'm not gonna fall into your trap. Then I have no choice but to make you beg for his help. What the fuck? No, she got away! Why did you hide if you wanted to confront her? What should we do? Help her, of course. What else? By the way, my fortune cookie from Panda Express, from like a couple days ago actually, says, you will receive an unexpected gift from an acquaintance. I hope that's none of you. Is this where I'm going next? No. Oh my god! Bottom right. I think doors over here, yes. Top right, bottom right. This one. Green. Seven. Heart. What are you waiting for? Call to him. No, I won't let you hurt him. Then I shall make you scream. The fool will come running the moment he hears your cries. We're getting a bit of clipping action, okay. Enough! The beast isn't the only one you have to deal with. Be gone, boy. You have no business here. Unless, of course, you wish to join in the screaming. Join in the screaming. I thought she was gonna say join in on the screaming. This is perfect. When that brute hears your shrieks of terror, he'll come right to me. Don't trouble yourself. He's already here. You're here. No, you mustn't. I told you to leave this place. Belle, I'm trying to eat. Leave me alone. I never want to see your face again. Belle, what an awful thing to say. Alright, if that's how you feel, I understand. My hideousness is punishment for being selfish and unable to love. I was made into a monster, loved by no one, and I only became more selfish. That is, until I met you, Belle. Oh my god, how romantic. Oh my god. You're the only person who accepted me. Little by little, you warmed my cold, selfish heart. The memories of our days together are my most precious. I won't cast them aside. So I'm sorry, but I can't leave you here, even if you hate me for it. Consider it my final selfish act. Oh, beast. Well, well. I never dreamed such ugliness could hide so beautiful a heart. This calls for a change of plan. Beast, I shall claim your heart instead of Belle's. Why not both? You know, have a party. No, please. Belle, what the fuck? Well, so much for the change of plan. Belle's heart it is, after all. It seems her cold words spoke little of her true feelings. Ha ha ha, she loves you, beast! I can feel it shining in her heart. You fiend! Oh my god. What an animal. Release Belle's heart at once! No! I'm not gonna. Where are you? She went that way. That's the way. The shadows fled. I have to go to bed tomorrow. Or I have to go to bed because work tomorrow morning, but I had to drop in and say I love you to leave. Good night, Snake. I hope you have a good day at work tomorrow. And a good sleep. What are you doing here? No time to talk. We gotta go after them right away. You'd help me? You bet after what you just said, we gotta help you. We don't gotta. Let's go get Belle's heart back. Right. I tried to... Steve, you have to... Oh my god, that's so far. You have to, do no space. I don't know if you have 20. Do you have 21 already? Top left, top left. Top right, top right. Top left, bottom left. I'm not gonna remember that. Left, left, right, right. No space, Steve. Top, left, left. Right, right. Right, right, left. Where the fuck? Oh, I missed it. I missed my elevator. My max is 14. That's still more than, like, anyone else. And then... left bottom. You still want to show Jafar your keyhole? There we go. Oh. Oh. Only to you, red. You've done well to make it this far, Beast. As your reward, I'll tell you why Belle rejected you. What happened here? My dark magic requires hearts of utmost beauty. Belle was perfect. Deep in her heart, her love for you shone with uncommon radiance. But she guessed my plans. By denying her love for you, she put her heart beyond my reach. But she saved me. She protected me. She couldn't hide how she really felt. I've heard enough. Release her heart now. Now! If you don't, I'm gonna get angry. Do not try my patience. I'm gonna get angry. Don't you realize why I'm telling you all this? Did you think it was out of kindness? I did it to erase your doubts. Now your heart is beginning to shine with love for Belle. I shall have your heart too, monster. Not if we stop you. You dare to challenge me, pitiful fools. Maleficent pause PTSD for real. Oh god, oh my god. Awkward. Oh. Good luck, thank you, I'll need it.
Yeah. Heal. Heal. It's over. Yeah.
What the fuck does this do? What the fuck did that do? What the fuck? Did that get... Wait, what did that do? Did it... Is it... Does it just get rid of her bad breath floor? Review decks. It made a platform. Oh, where the fuck was the platform? I was out of the loop. Hello, Dual Mephistos? Hello! I don't know if I said that right. Welcome. I hope you're having a good day. How much do I have? Less than 100. Wait, what does this do? Quickly load all attack and magic cards. This is only a 1. How awkward. I don't know what's good. Maybe I should get a Tinkerbell. Getting ready to go wedding dress shopping. Oh my god, that's so exciting. Are you getting married? If so, congratulations. Congratulations to whoever's getting married. 8. That filled it up. This time I'll look for the for the platform. Bum 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 bum. Oh god. Oh!
Fire!
Oh. Oh, I didn't know I could move around. I thought it was just here. Oh my god, look at me! Oh, fuck!
Heal! Heal!
Thank you for following, by the way. Welcome! No! I wanted Goofy!
This is it! It's over! Force! Thunder! Fire!
Oh, I got Goofy.
Goofy!
What the fuck?
Fire! Freeze! Freeze! Yeah!
Oh. No!
Heal! Heal! There! Yeah!
Oh my god. I don't know if I answered your question. My day is going good. Card obtained. Holy. Mega Ether, Mega Elixir, item card. Oh my god. That's so much. No. Not for me. Oh my god. We got our heart back. Welcome back, Belle. Oh my god. She doesn't look happy at all. Belle. Oh my god, cute music. Thank goodness. Please forgive me, I had to be cruel to you. Okay, wait. So, it was proven that Belle loves Beast. Does she have to say that she loves him for the curse to break? I forgot the movie. Because, like, it's like if someone ever learns to love Beast, that's when the curse breaks or something like that. Would that not be right now? Or like whenever she like got in front of him to protect him? But no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't hide my true feelings. I'm the one who should apologize for doubting you. I never want to remember feeling that way. So angry, so alone. To love and be loved in return or something like that? Yeah, so, like, that's happened. The curse should break right here. Because Maleficent kind of proved, like, when she was talking about, like, your love for Belle is, like, makes your heart shine. Whatever the fuck. We just saw Belle loves Beast and Beast loves Belle. Like, should that not break the curse? Am I thinking too hard into this? Let's replace the sad memories with happier ones, starting now. Belle. There they go with the mushy stuff. Yuck. This world is based on Sora's memories. Sora doesn't know Beast was human. Oh, that's true. That's true. You're so right. You're so smart, as always. Yeah, I think it's time we got on our way. Let's give them some space. Get a room. Good idea. Let's keep moving. Hello, not marry you. Thank you for following. Welcome. I'm so sorry about my alerts not working. Oh my god. My alerts, my overlays, nothing's working today. Oh, we're done. What else can I hit in here? Bum, 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 bum. Nothing else?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I thought that was gonna fall.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Who are you?
I am Vexen. I have come to collect your debt, Sora.
A debt?
A debt?
Sora, do you owe something to this guy?
Come on, of course not.
Oh, but you do. You owe me for reuniting you with your former friend.
You don't mean...
Indeed, I do.
Is that the sound of the exclamation mark?
To you.
You're the one... You're the one who's been controlling him. What have you done with him?
Yeah.
No need to give you information about where Riku is. After all, why trouble you in your final hour?
Audible gasp. Is it like...
Taste this! Yeah. No good. Yeah. Here you go. Yeah, here you go. Yeah. Taste this.
Oh.
Heal. Heal. I've had enough of this. Yeah. Taste this. Filthy. Whoa.
What?
Filthy. Here you go.
I'm dead.
Taste this.
Oh, no, return to title. I was doing so well for a little while. I started getting better at the game. I started, like, I was able to beat things first time around. And then I forgot how to play. Is this where I am? Yeah, yeah. Wait, what's the only way to anime?
Yeah.
Why does he do so much damage?
Filthy. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Taste this. No good. Here you go.
Oops.
Yeah. This is it. Heal. Taste this.
Eee! I'm impressed. It's a lot easier to hit every recon. Don't say that. Don't say that. He was like cakewalk for me.
Here you go. Yeah. Taste this.
Unless you card break him, the guard's damage from the front.
I've had enough of this. Here you go. Donald. Yeah. Yeah. Filthy. Whoa. Take it. Yeah. I shall freeze you. Here you go. Yeah. Taste this. Here you go.
Hey.
Donald.
Oh, actually useful. Ay ay ay.
Yeah.
Ay ay ay.
I've had enough of this. I shall freeze you. Here you go. Yeah. No good. There.
Oops, I didn't mean to.
Heal. Taste this. Yeah. This is it. I've had enough of this. Filthy. Yeah.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
Heal. Here you go.
No!
Yeah. No good. I shall freeze you. You are just an experiment. This is it. Yeah. Here you go.
I'm so terrified!
Yeah. Heal. Heal. Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah. I shall freeze you. Taste this. Taste this. You're pushing it. Here you go.
Yeah. It's a lot easier to get to a place you can actually hit him from in a 3D game compared to the— Oh! That's valid. I totally forgot this was in here. I don't ever look at this. Maybe I should put more reload. I don't— what do I need? Take out the blizzards and put in fires. Okay. I only have 2 4s. You have stop and cloud but aren't using either? I don't think. When I played Kingdom Hearts 1, Goofy and Donald were naked until I was having too much trouble with the Maleficent fight. I don't know how to play games. I literally just mash X. Poor Donald and Goofy. I've never known how to play games in my life. I just play them. Mashing triangle? I can mash buttons. I can do that. Oops. If you have an elixir... I do, but it's a 1. You can use it when your enemies. Oh, that's you're so right. That's so valid. That's it. That's all the space I have, unless I remove some stuff. I feel like do I need gravity? Hmm. Spells are only used for combos. It's best to use when enemies are at full HP, once they aren't after your Unga attacks. Okay. Okay. You're not wrong, but you didn't have to do me like that. I can put a stop in there. I don't understand what the fuck Dumbo does. What does dousing enemies with water do? Say with love and friendship. I can put a cloud in. Does cloud even... I can exactly fit a cloud in there? Does... Oh, blizzard damage? Oh, is that why you said get rid of the blizzards? Is that why his shield is blue? Is that what that signifies? He's an ice type? Oh my god, what happened to my game? Oh, we're back. And the fact that all of his attacks use... Oh, you're so right! That's so embarrassing for me. If I put Cloud in my deck, do I have to press, like, select to get to him? Because I'm gonna forget to do that. Like, we had one of these in there, and I didn't even know that was in there. Or does he just... He shows up in the other deck, right? Like... I have to press select. Summons a magic card's not enemy. Oh, okay, okay. I was looking for my slides. I forgot what slate Cloud is in. Oh well. We'll find out. Maybe. Three clouds, he's zooming. Oh, okay. Well, I only have one cloud, so... Oi.
I shall freeze you. Yeah. Here you go. Goofy.
Oh!
What?
Yeah. Taste this. No good. Here you go. I've had enough of this. Yeah. Goofy.
Whoa!
Yeah. Heal. I shall freeze you.
Oh god.
No good.
Eee. What?
Yeah. Here you go. Yeah. Heal. Heal.
Ah. Yeah.
Taste this.
Can you fuck off? Please? Oh shit, wait, wrong. That's not what I wanted to do. Out farm shops trying to get more clouds. We can do that. I didn't use cloud once. Ugh, I don't want to climb that. To get back here. Yeah, I thought I was behind him at one point and it's still guarded. And I got confused. Let's go look for clouds. Let's go cloud gazing. Oh, I didn't mean to go through it. Wait a minute. Your deck is solid, you can beat him. My deck may be solid. I'm not. I only have... I think I only have 1/9. I only have low cards. Low numbers. This is also... Oh god. Oh god. The entire 180 degrees in front of him is a guard zone. So was I just not far behind him enough? I have to buy blue packs?
Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Ha.
Nothing? Thank you. I don't think I need all those 4s. TBH. Blue packs. $500, $600. So I can buy 2. Right? No matter which way we go about it, I can only buy 2 packs. I think. Can I sell more? And get like 22 more? Oh, we got 718. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna go back to selling. What the fuck? Why do I have so many? Oh. Is this yeah, it is. I don't use these. Oops. $350. Wait, 5, 6, 8. 850 for the 3. I don't know if I'm mathing right. I don't know how to math. Let's see. 1050 for all. Okay, thank you. Oh my god, we're playing gacha game. I love gacha games. I love gambling. We got 0 clouds. You did pull a cure though? Valid. I don't think I can... I don't know if I can sell enough to get 200 more points. Cloud hunting should have probably been done earlier before there were so many magic card options to pull. Yeah, but I don't know things. Where did I come from? This one. Okay, wait, what should I take out and put in? I feel like I need more cures because I'm not good at this. Take him and the thunder and stock up on fires. Six. Oh! That doesn't go in. How much is a cure? Oops. I mean, at least I could take that out and put a 7 in. Is Firaga? Is that 3 fires? Take out the... Three? Oops. Oh, that's how you see the slides. Not this one. This one's 35, 33, 31. I can do that. Maybe a 7, 6, and a 4? Or a 7, 6, 7, 6, 5? Come, your mom lets you have 3 fires? My mom is a cool mom. Does that fit in? No, it fits in the same way. Two 7s and a 4. Let's put the 4 first. I totally forgot you could do that. Okay, wait, I have one question that I should know. How do you use them without putting in a third one? Because if I press triangle again, it adds that card. Do I have to go to like the reload one? How does that work? I feel like I should know that, but I don't. Wow. Oh. Are L1 are L2 together? Oh. Interesting. Attempt number, I don't know, 3? 4? I've lost count already. I don't know how many it's gonna take. I imagine many more. I think it's gonna be like the Maleficent fight in Kingdom Hearts 1, where it took me like an hour. I believe. Thank you. I don't know if I believe, but thank you.
Taste this! Donald! Here you go! I shall freeze you!
Oh god, wait, wrong. I pressed so many wrong buttons just now.
I've had enough of this!
Where?
Here you go!
3 of these boys? Oh, whoops.
Fire! Heal! Here you go! Heal! Yeah! It's over! I shall freeze you.
He.
Taste this. Here you go, Donald.
Ah. Oops. I keep trying to press. I keep thinking continue is at the bottom. I don't know if I'm pressing dodge too late or if I'm in a position where I cannot dodge. But it's just not happening. What the fuck?
I've had enough of this. Yeah, taste this. Yeah, here you go. Filthy.
Whoa!
Heal. Donald. I shall freeze you, Donald. Taste this. Yeah. Here you go.
Oh shit.
Taste this. I've had enough of this. Yeah. Heal. Fire. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I should have. Oh, I'm fucky wucky again.
Freeze you. Here you go. Yeah. Yeah. You are just an experiment. Yeah. Here you go. I've had enough of this. Heal.
It was R1 L1 together. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. I fucked up. I fucky wucky. Fucky wuckies all around.
Yeah. I shall freeze you. Shatter.
Oops.
Yeah, you're pushing it. Yeah. Here you go. Heal. Taste this. Yeah. I've had enough of this. Taste this. You imbecile. You're too much trouble. I shall freeze you.
What? I fucked up. I pressed my buttons too fast. Okay. That's an oopsie whoopsie indeed. That was a big oopsie whoopsie.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oops.
Taste this. This is it. Here you go.
I want to start over. This was a bad start. I want to start over.
Here you go.
Filthy. Whoa.
Heal. Yeah, here you go.
Oops. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck is happening?
Funnel.
I want to start over. I don't like what's happened here.
I've had enough of this.
Oops.
Yeah.
I literally did. Oh my god. Fucky wuckies all around!
Fire. Fire. Taste this. Yeah. Here. Taste this. No good. I shall freeze you. Heal.
Maybe I should have gone for a 3.
Yeah. Yeah. Here you go. Filthy.
Whoa.
Heal. Taste this.
Eee.
No good. Yeah. 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 Fire. I've had enough of this. Yeah. You imbecile. Here you go. Heal. Yeah. No good. You're pushing it. Back off. Yeah. Here you go. You don't know it.
That was louder than I expected. That was so much louder than I expected. I didn't mean to scream that loud.
Very easily.
As if I'd ever lose to you.
I wouldn't be so sure. Did you even notice? I was delving deep into your memory as we fought. And here, look what I found.
What did you find?
Crafted from all the memories that are locked in the other side of your heart.
You gotta work on your drawing skills.
Wait.
It's kind of pixelated.
Memories. In the other side?
I am best gamer NA. Beep, 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 beep. I got a bad feeling about all this. We should be careful. The other side of your heart, is that where the stuff you forget goes? I'm tired. That tired me out.
If Sora disappears, that would mess up the organization's plans.
Wait a minute. What number are we on? Are we on Steve 15?
I trust that you know what you need to do.
Haven't a clue, really. Maybe you could spell it out for me.
Vexen has clearly committed a treasonous act against the organization. You must eliminate the traitor.
No taking that back later.
Why does he talk like this? There is no feeling, no emotion, just talk.
A card made out of memories from the other side of your heart? I wonder what it does.
We'll find out soon enough. It's the only one we have left. No other way to move forward.
You think their memory's on the other side of my heart? Kinda scary. No, Goofy, I'm the main character. Only a memory's on the other side of my heart. If you ask me, Vexen's waiting to trap us. What was the movie? Halloween Town. Trappa! What's up heart backwards? Trappa! No, I read it. I just didn't want to acknowledge it. Let me save one more time because I'm not doing that again. Wonderful. Now I'm tired and hungry. So who's streaming? We're gonna go raid someone. Easy word to be Calabar for Halloween Town too. Did you know Calabar? I think it was Calabar, or was it Calabar's son? And Marnie, the actors, are married. Oh my god, Cozy is streaming Tower Fantasy. We can watch my wife play my newest obsession. Yeah, the actors are married. It's so cute. Okay, I'm not actually obsessed with this game, honestly. It's just been my game of choice lately. I'll admit, like, some games I do get obsessed with. This one I wouldn't say I'm obsessed with it. But I'm enjoying it. Cozy hates you, but plays it. I like it so far. I like the weapon system more than like the weapons in Genshin. Yeah. Good night, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thanks for helping me out. I really there's no fucking way I could have done that on my own. I don't know enough about this game. I guess next time we'll go to the other side of our heart. Actually, no, next time I might play High School Dreams. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Thanks for hanging out, thanks for watching. Guess rest and eat, I will. Have a good night.